Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying English grammar book, chapter number 4, pronouns. We were discussing the exercise. Exercise question number A, B, C. We have discussed. Now we will discuss D number. From D number we will discuss. D number is, what are they saying? Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and relative pronouns to find out. There are 4 words, that, this, who, which. We have to fill these words. Other, what is dash in your hand? Show it to me. What is this? This. Boy, it is only a baby cobra. Other, dash is a dangerous snake. Get rid of it. This is a dangerous snake. Boy, dash is a tame one. That is a tame one. Other, dash gave it to you. Who gave it to you? Why? It belongs to Rajan. Dash father is a vet. Vet means veterinary doctor, animal doctor. It belongs to Rajan. Whose father? Whose father is a vet? Father, I won't allow dash snake in my house. Is that clear? I won't allow this snake. E number. Complete each question by adding a correct interrogative pronoun from the box. Interrogative pronoun. What, who, which, whose. We have to fill. First number. Will you tell me dash made you laugh? Will you tell me who made you laugh? Or we can also write what. Who means person, what means anything. Who made you laugh or what made you laugh? Both are correct. Second, dash is your favorite dish. What? What is your favorite dish? Third number, dash parents are with the principal now. Whose? Whose parents? Whose parents are with the principal now? Fourth number, dash is the meaning of this word. What? What's the meaning of this word? Third number, dash do you think is the better color for the outer walls? Which do you think is the better color for the outer walls? Or also what is also possible? What or which? Sixth number, dash of these DVDs would you like to watch? Which? We have to select which of these DVDs. Which? Sixth number. 7. Use the relative pronouns, so who, whom, which, that to give more information about the following sentences. The crew disliked the captain. We have to write sentence by using the words who, whom, which, that. The crew disliked the captain. Captain or captain who? The crew disliked the captain who always chide them, scold them, criticize them. Anyone you can write. The crew disliked the captain who always chide them, who always criticize them, who always scold them. Anyone you can write. Second number. The search party found the boy. The boy who was lost. Who was lost. Third number. The mother cat cried pitifully for her kitten, which was in danger, or we can also write which was dead. Fourth number. The tribals trapped the fox which was hiding, or we can also write oh, which was hiding, which was running very slow. This sentence also we can write. 5 number, the lady chose an expensive necklace. Necklace, for necklace pronoun will come which was made of diamonds. We can also write that was made of diamonds. 6 number, my friend told me about his teacher who was very popular, who always behaved well, whom all the students liked. Any sentence you can add. G number, write an alternative for the colored words using that, or where possible omitting the relative pronoun. The first is done for you. In these sentences we have to use that where possible, and we have to remove all the relative pronoun, who, whom, whose, what, which. Remove that we can use. First number done. The girl who telephoned had a foreign accent. The girl who telephoned. The for who we can also use that. So who is the relative pronoun, who, whom, whose, what, which we have to remove. So for who here is written that, the girl that telephoned. Second number, the photo which took. The photo which took. Here we have to remove which. Answer will be the photo I took. The photo I took has come out pretty well. Third number, now for the announcement for which you are all waiting. This is incomplete sentence. Sentence is wrong. Fourth number, the player whom we selected has not been a great success. Remove the whom. Remove the word whom. Answer will be the player we selected. The player we selected has not been a great success. 5 number, have you found the man with whom the child was last seen? Remove the word whom and the preposition with whom. With preposition will come at the end. Preposition comes at the end. Answer will be, have you found the man? Have you found the man the child was last seen with? With will come at the end. 6 number, take the road which goes off to the left. For road, the word is which. Remove which and use that. Answer will be, take the road that goes. Take the road that goes off to the left. 7 number, the person who this letter is addressed to doesn't live here. Remove who. Answer will be the person this letter is addressed to doesn't live here. 8 number, people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. Answer will remove who. The people that. Remove who, write that. The people that live. People that live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. H number, choose the correct indefinite pronoun in brackets to fill in the blanks. First number, the TV reporter said, if you know someone who lives in the town, please ring the special number. Second, I rang the number but opposite, but nobody answered. So I decided to do something. To help. Third number, I thought that if everybody did something to help, it would help everyone. Fourth number, it was dark and very quiet, and I saw nobody in the streets. 5 number. I started to look for my uncle and aunt and even asked some people, but opposite none of them. But none of them. No one of them is wrong. Always none of them written. None of them seem to have seen my uncle and aunt. My father called me and said, "That is all right. Your uncle and aunt are safe here. Everything is all right. Your uncle and aunt are safe." So students, chapter number 4 exercise complete. Thank you.